Big time fun doesn't necessarily mean a big motorhome. Hi, I'm Steve Duval from Thor Motor Coach. This is the 2024 Four Winds 28Z. Now, it does have big time storage. This motorhome is exactly 30 feet long, and you are going to love traveling with your entire family, seeing all the sights you've always wanted to see.
There are a number of floor plans in the Four Winds lineup, and they are all going to have a number of different features and options. So to make sure you are getting the Four Winds outfitted exactly how you want, visit your local Thor Motor Coach dealer or build your own at thormotorcoach.com. This is a great looking living area. This is the Malibu collection, so we're talking Nantucket blue decor with California white uppers and weathered cherry lowers. The 28Z can sleep 6 or 7 depending on how you option it. Now it's 6 if you go with the theater seating, but in here it's 7 as we have the sofa ready to go. There are seatbelts here for the ride, a nice shelf behind here with cup holders, and when you need it, the sofa quickly jackknifes into a bed. Over here we have the Dream Dinette. There are seatbelts here as well as a child safety tether built in. Also built in and convenient, cup holders, great for the ride. You also have wireless charging right here. On top of doing everything else like making a great dinner table, this also makes into a bed. There are also a few storage drawers underneath. Right up above the dinette, we find the smart TV, and what's great about this setup is once you create your own internet connection with the WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can binge all your favorite shows, movies, and sports. One more place to sleep up front, and it is always a favorite, the over-the-cab bunk. It's very roomy up here and has an 800-pound capacity. Next stop is in the kitchen. In here you have all the tools to get the job done and done deliciously. So check it out. Here's our 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven. Right up above is the microwave. Next to that, one of the most important features of any kitchen, it's storage. You can quickly go from washing to putting away in no time with this roll-out sink cover. This is going to keep your kitchen clean and organized. Right here is a pop-up outlet. This is great for appliances or to simply keep your devices charged. The 28Z has a 12-volt fridge, and that's going to be tied into the 4,000-watt gas generator, which features an auto gen start, so you are always going to have a cold drink when you're out dry camping. Let's take a quick peek in the bathroom. This features everything you need in a restroom. We're talking privacy, space, and storage. You have tankless hot water back here. Your tank capacities are 40 gallons on the fresh and gray and 27 on the black tank. Into the back of the 28Z, and we find our bedroom. This is going to be a north-south queen-size bed. And look how this is set up for you. A nice closet on each side. You have large cabinets overhead. There's even this large nightstand with all the charging outlets you would need. Moving all the way up front and into the cockpit. Now, the 28Z is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Under the hood is a 7.3-liter V8 with 325 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque to power you down the road. You're going to have keyless entry on the 28Z, and this one has the optional power driver's seat. What's great about driving a Class CRV is the familiar feel you get when you are behind the wheel. The dash here is easy to read and friendly to use. So this 28Z is going to have the optional heated and remote mirrors. We're going to find steering wheel controls right here. The buttons on the left are for dash features like your trip meters and maintenance reminders. Cruise control settings are below. And over on the right, these buttons are all tied into the radio for volume, Bluetooth calls. Also from this pad, you have the ability to pull up the optional side view cameras and the standard backup camera anytime with the touch of the camera button. The radio comes with all the goodies you need, like Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The 28Z cockpit also features a lot of storage for whatever you need or pick up along the way. So you're going to find a place for everything from cups to maps to glasses, even phones.
On this Four Winds, you have an occupant and cargo carrying capacity of nearly 2,800 pounds. So what you need to do now is think about all of the camping essentials you can fit inside this storage bay.
Take a look at this. The 28Z is ready for anything as you have 104 cubic feet of available storage. So in this setup, we have the bay loaded up with the old golf clubs. There's a wakeboard for all you water lovers out there. There's even room for a cooler and your own grill in here, which you can easily hook up to the propane connection. But if you would rather have the outdoor kitchen built in, then this setup is for you. You can option in this propane griddle and 12-volt electric cooler, and it's all on a slide-out tray. The griddle just hooks up to that propane connection. No matter how you outfit the 28Z, you are going to love having this portable table. So no matter where you sit up, you always have a clean place for your goodies. And here's the best part. It simply packs up and stores right here in the bay. Now before you load everything back in, how about this? Hosing it off right here with this built-in hose. Why not let the sun hit that 100-watt solar panel while you grab some shade under the power patio awning? There are also LED lights underneath here as well. So now it's time to pull up a chair and grab a movie on the optional exterior TV. Or maybe you just want to stream your playlist on the Bluetooth soundbar. Everywhere you want to go and anything you want to do, this is how you do vacation.
So your next adventure for big time fun starts right here. It's the 2024 Four Winds 28Z. Learn more about it at thormotorcoach.com.